let's talk about the alleged malpractices in the NEET UG exam, which was held on May 5th. Now, the allegations range from question paper leak to impersonation during the tests, sparking widespread unrest among the students' community and also for action and accountability. Now, in a significant ruling yesterday, the Supreme Court has decided against reconducting the NEET UG exam, and the court went on to say that there was not sufficient evidence to indicate a systemic leak of the question paper. Now, this decision comes as a relief to 24 lakh students who took this examination, with court emphasizing that ordering a fresh test would in fact have serious consequences for the students. Now, listen to this.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये कहा है कि अभी भी इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है और आगे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको वीड आउट किया जाएगा, लेकिन इस रीज़न से जो हमारे 24 लाख बच्चे हैं उनको एकदम से दोबारा परीक्षा के लिए रेडी करना जो कि गलत होगा। इसी ग्राउंड पे इसी मुद्दे को आधार बनाते हुए सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने रीनीट के लिए मना किया है। बट ये सिस्टमिक लीक हम इसको नहीं मान सकते हैं कि ये ऑल ओवर इंडिया लीक हुआ है, क्योंकि जो IIT मद्रास ने अपना डेटा और ग्राफ वगैरह दिया है उस हिसाब से ये नहीं लग रहा है कि कोई सिस्टमिक लीक है।
Well, a strong reaction has also come from the Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. On one hand, he has welcomed the ruling, calling it a victory of truth. But in a blistering attack he took on the opposition and LOP in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi in particular, for misleading the students and also creating confusion and provoking anarchy and civil unrest as a part of strategy. Listen in.
देश की युवा पीढ़ी को, विद्यार्थियों को आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूं, NTA को एक जीरो टेम्पर फ्री, जीरो एरर फ्री ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनाने के लिए हम लोग कमिटेड है। ये सारे प्रोसेस में जो अव्यवस्था हुई उसमें से जो लोग इन्वॉल्व है किसी को भी बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। सभी के ऊपर कड़ी से कड़ी कानूनी कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
हम इस ऑर्डर का स्वागत करते हैं और हमारी सरकार की, हमारी मंत्रालय की पहले से ही स्टैंड थी कि कोर्ट का जो भी आदेश आएगा उस आदेश को हम मानेंगे। हमारे माननीय मंत्री श्री धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी ने भी बार बार ये दोहराया है, हाउस में भी उन्होंने बोला है कि हम कुछ हाइड नहीं करना चाहते, पूरा इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो और CBI इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर भी रही है।
But the opposition parties have been unrelenting and unsatisfied with the court verdict, while Rajya Sabha MP Kapil Sibal has called for a complete revamp of the National Testing Agency, which is NTA. Others have said that the verdict must be appealed against. Listen in.
The Supreme Court has done. The question is, why is it that in every examination during the course of this government, there are leaks not justly in the NEET exam, but in every exam in every state? The question is, who is involved? For whose benefit is this government? And this is all happening in BJP-ruled states mostly. For whose benefit are these leaks happening? And who are the people who have without merit gotten jobs?
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का फैसला जो आया है, लेकिन अजीब सा है कि ये मानते हैं कि लीक हुआ है और आज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक युग में लीक होने के 1 मिनट के अंदर पूरे हिंदुस्तान में फ्लैश हो सकता है और उसके बाद भी उसको जिस ढंग से लिया गया है तो उसको पढ़ने के बाद हम प्रतिक्रिया देंगे।
But when you see, as far as the NEET UG exam is concerned, we've seen students protesting and also opposition parties raising the demands for a retest and cancellation of the NEET UG. But now a very important verdict has come from the Supreme Court, wherein it has been mentioned that there's in fact no evidence on record to conclude that the exam there was in fact any systemic breach of the exam, and this is what the Supreme Court has said. On the other hand, Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, he hailed the decision and in fact said that final results of the medical entrance exam would be declared within 2 days. He also, in a press conference yesterday, said that Satyamev Jayatev truth has prevailed, and he has welcomed this verdict by the Supreme Court. But very important one, as the central government has time and again been saying that there was no large-scale leak, and this is what the Supreme Court also upheld in a landmark, in fact, a verdict yesterday. Dharmendra Pradhan, the Union Education Minister, also went on to say that the government has zero tolerance for any kind of breach, and the exam is in fact supreme for the central government. This is as far as the NEET UG exam is concerned, which was held on May 5th. Now